Hello, coffee lovers everywhere. I'm Christopher Barzak. If you just purchased an espresso machine, unpacked it, and plugged it in, ready to make your first espresso latte, this video is for you. Let's get started.
The first thing to do is add water to the water storage tank, as steaming is essential to the espresso process. An empty tank could result in damage to the boiler. Thus, it's good practice whenever the espresso maker is turned on to always check water levels, as we do here. Thus, we see our minimum, actual water line, and maximum. Essential tools include the lockable portafilter, single shot espresso cup, double shot cup, a measuring spoon for the coffee beans, and finally the stainless steel milk pitcher. We measure the whole beans for grinding. They are a work of art for the gloss they display on the bean surface. As they grind, the kitchen fills with the remarkable and alluring aroma of ground coffee that overwhelms the senses. Perhaps this is true aromatherapy, and we ask ourselves, can this divine aroma fulfill its promise and taste? We now remove our ground coffee container, then transfer the fine grounds to the cup in the portafilter. We tamp it down, then lock the portafilter in place. After placing a Demitasse cup under the portafilter, we press the start button to initiate the extraction process. Visually, we look for what the Italians call the cafe crema, which is the light brown foam on an espresso. As we complete the process of extraction, we have achieved espresso perfection. Just look at this crema. We have reached our final step, steaming the milk. We pour milk to about a quarter full in the pitcher to allow for expansion. We place the pitcher under a steaming wand. As we swirl the milk, we allow about 1 minute before removing the pitcher. We top off our Demitasse cup. In our final clip here, we have substituted steamed chocolate milk just to demonstrate the many options you have when you have a home espresso maker. Starbucks won't do this for you. We add a bit of whipped cream and sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon.
This is Christopher Barzak. I'm glad you could watch our video. Boy, chocolate foam latte espresso. Wow.